note one. Okay, let me open core Java document. Has anyone gone through this document? So because whatever we have discussed earlier, some previous classes. Okay, now so no one. Just go through this. Okay, you will have idea. And still, I need to make some modification. And even I keep on making the changes also. So the yesterday class. So what we discussed is structure of the Java program. Okay. So if at all you want to write a Java program, so what you need to do, how you need to start, that we have discussed yesterday. The first section is documentation section, so which specifies the purpose of the program or author of the program, or inside the program also somewhere, if at all you want to specify if the code is cannot be understood by other programmers. Okay, then if at all you want to specify also, then you can comment that one, that is single line comment or multi-line comment you can specify. Give me just a minute, sorry, battery is low. Okay, let me connect with charger. Should have done. Okay, yeah, it connected now. Okay, yeah. So as we discussed yesterday, so the documentation section, as I told you, yeah, same thing is happening repeatedly. Yeah, right. Somebody wants to join. Satya. So please share your email IDs. Okay, I don't need to admit in the middle of the class. Okay, so please ping this chart is there, right? So try to ping your email IDs here so that it's like Satya is there and something, whoever this Sai Shruti also. I think, have you provided Shruti? Okay, it's okay. You try to ping here and we will see later that. But okay, yeah, as we discussed this documentation section, so in this documentation section, or you can say it as a comment section also. Suppose see you want to specify the purpose of the program. So Java program to simply what you can say, to print sum of the two numbers, or Java program simply let me open this notepad. Okay, so notepad, while writing the program, okay, just what you can specify, Java program to display welcome message. Yesterday we have written, right? We wrote this one. So Java program to display message. This is a comment section. So simply single line. If it is single line, just single line comment, double slash you give. If it is exceeding, suppose, and followed by some other description you want to give. So what if it is exceeding? Instead of writing comment in each and every line, okay, like slash slash. So what you can do, multi-line commenting also you can do. So slash star. So whatever the lines multiple, and even if it is 2 lines, 5 lines, 10 lines, also entire thing you can comment like this. Okay, so that is what the purpose multi-line commenting that actually we have here. Okay, so this is multi-line commenting. Okay, single line is with the double slash, multi-line is with slash star, and followed by multiple lines, star slash we specify, and Java documentation that we will discuss in future. So that we discussed it. And also we discussed package. As of now, this package is not needed, and import statement is also not needed as of now. Interface also not needed. Next we discuss this class definition. So means, so if you go here, and we have a class followed by class name you have to give, and open brace and close braces, okay, na, curly braces, which specifies a block opening and block close, means class starts and class ends. And later you have to write this public static void main string args. Okay, so this is the one you actually, okay, so this is the main method where your Java program execution starts here. Okay, so then if at all you want to display something, then you need to use system.out.println. So inside this one, by inside that is double quotes. So whatever you want to specify, you have to specify so that it will be displayed. And I also showed you um, how to compile and execute this Java programs. So let me open normal command prompt. Okay, so you need to open command prompt. So for compilation purpose, I asked you to use the command java c message.java. Okay, so this, okay, message.java not found. Why it is not found means that is available in different folder, but I am in by default users. Who is, please mute yourself. Okay, yeah. So but actually my programs are available in C drive programs, right? Just simply apply cd, okay, or cd slash you apply, so it came to c directory. Okay, so now here cd, so programs folder I have created, or programs only. Okay, so I created a folder programs. Manually, you can go and create there itself. And now switched. If you type dir command, what are all the files available, you can get it here. Or directly you can go to here. If at all you want to, this is GUI application, right? So this is what exactly called GUI. So C drive, and if you go to programs, okay, message dot class file is available. So this is here. But how can I know from here? Terminal means just dir command you have to use. What are all the files which are available in this directory, it will give you. So now you can use java c command and class name or file name, message dot java. Okay, java c message name dot java, just enter here. So what here? So java c, I spelling is wrong. See, just you, whenever you get like this, don't get confused. We may also get the spelling, you have to check java, wrong spelling. So that is the reason why not recognized as an internal external command. If you, whenever you see this error message, just you think that something is wrong with that spelling. Okay, so enter. Then what happened here? File not found message. Once again, why we got this error? That is also once again error message. Message message, three times e appeared here. So that is the reason why it is showing. Okay, na message. Okay, now it is fine. It should compile now. Okay, so now, yeah, no errors. So now Java command to execute the Java program. Message, just simply don't specify .java anything while executing. Java C for compilation, only Java for execution. This is message, type enter. Okay, so welcome to Java message, you are able to see. So this is how we compile and execute the Java program. Okay, so when you are trying to open, just simply try to open notepad and try to type your code, whatever you want to type, class and main, and save. While saving also, whatever the file name is there, with that file name only try to save your program in required folder with .java. Okay, this is fine. But now you don't have, actually you have not, if you try to execute the program without installation of java on your computer, then it will give you compile error usually. Okay, so java c is also not recognized as an internal or external command, like that you will get. So what you need to do, I will let you know how you need to do. So just you need to go to browser, just search for download. Okay, download java jdk installer for windows. Okay, now so download java jdk, okay, install for windows. Just you can type this one. Okay, windows also, just click on java downloads is there, right? It's giving java downloads. Okay, click on this one, java downloads. So it now here we have different versions. JDK 21 is there, JDK 7 is there, sorry 17 is there. Okay, now so different versions, even if you want old versions also, but just go for JDK 21 is the latest version. Okay, then choose your pro operating system, whether it is Linux operating system, Mac operating system, or Windows operating system. So since ours is mostly you are using Windows operating system, okay, then go with this Windows. Okay, either you can directly installer, you can select, okay now, so .exe file, or you can select zip file or msi also, anyone you can select. Or if you want to go with that, go with .exe, just click on this link, so installer. Okay, when you click on this one, the download starts automatically. Okay, and please don't forget, choose the proper operating system. Yours is Windows, click on Windows. And JDK 21, Windows, and go for this .exe. File extensions, it is giving it here. It's a zip file, it's .exe file, .msi. So directly .exe, MSI means it will give you some configuration. And when you open that one, still at that point, you will try to download. But .exe, directly it will download. Now if you, where it will be present, so if you go and downloads, you can see this file actually. Let me open downloads, so just click on downloads. So see here, just now we downloaded, right? So jdk 21 windows. Okay, then when you double click on this one, okay, It will ask you, click yes. Okay, click yes means then what will it do? It starts installation process, so preparing to install, right? So since I already installed, it is giving error. Okay, so the software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? Okay, better we will try go for installing it, then you will come to know, right? So then what I'm saying is yes, I'm proceeding with. Okay, so first time it will not ask you if you are trying to install, so automatically close applications and attempts to restart them after startup. Okay, then okay, then whatever you get, just next, next, next you go, then automatically that will be yeah. So preparing to install, it is trying to prepare. Yeah, now you will get ready, but directly first time means directly you will get like this. Next. Okay, just same path itself only, you don't need to just click on next, don't need to change. Okay, so now it starts installation. It's going on, copy new files. Yeah, so next it's successfully installed. You should see this message like successfully installed. Just simply I'm closing this. Okay, now where can I see this Java? Where it is installed means if you go to your C drive. Okay, so inside this C drive, so there is a folder called program files, not program files 86, program files. So with program files, there is a folder called Java. So in this Java, JDK 21. So these are all the files which are available Java related, your Java related software installed. And whatever we are seeing, right, Java, Java C, just go here. I'll show you that also, that executable files those are. So here Java is there, right? So Java, and you can also see Java C. So compilation purpose. When you try to use Java C, then this is loaded into memory and this code executes. Okay, whatever is available are part of this Java C that will execute and compiles your Java program. So whenever you use only Java, this will be loaded. Okay, and this executes your Java program. So this Java C and Java, these are also files, executable files. That is which is mentioned as application. And it's .exe is the extension for these files. Let me check for properties also. So what is the extension of this .exe? If you see, observe here, means that can be directly executed by your operating system. So .exe means, okay, so wherever you use this now, this is okay. After this one, so what do we need to do? Then can I directly go and execute my Java program? No, it's not that one. So your operating system should know where exactly your Java software is installed. Why? Because directly you are using Java C here, right? So Java C you are using, but that is available in Java program files, right? Okay, so then if you try to, after installation, directly if you come here and Java C, it will give you, then it will give you again compile time error. Okay, so then even though you install also, then you need to do is two things you have to do here. You need to set path and class path. Two things are there. So where should I this set this path and class path? Means path is nothing but where exactly your Java software installed, path of your Java software. So where path is installed, so here this is the path. After going to that particular JDK, don't go for bin. So up to JDK only, JDK 21. So just click on this bar here. You will see here directly you can copy this path. Just copy this one. Now search for in Windows environment variables. Okay, you need to search environment. We'll see edit environment variables is there, right? So directly you got here. Huh? So otherwise you can go like this also. Yeah, environment, edit the system environment variables option you got, right? Either you can select this. Okay, so here you have option, right? Environment variables. Okay, so when you click on this environment variables, so here user is there, system is there. User means that specific user, whatever the properties you are applying, that will be applied to the specific user. So if you system variable, if you use this entire system, like how many number of candidates you give also, that will be applied to all the candidates. So better you apply this for this one. So for same system, uh, okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Let me come back. Just give me some 5 minutes time. Okay, I'm passing this record or pause recording. Okay, yeah. Now it is recording. Let me go to, yeah. So then what we need to do already, you have path here. Path is a variable. If you don't find general, usually you find this one. If you don't find also, then you can just new, just you have to write path, path, and okay means then you will get that one. Since it is already there, it's not giving okay for me here. Okay, so path is there. If it is already there, then just select that one, click on edit. Okay, so somewhere, right, multiple paths are available, so then try to paste that whatever you copied here, jdk21. Okay, so program files jdk21, sorry, including bin also you need to copy here. Okay, right, program files jdk21 up to bin, go to up to bin also. Okay, so see here, while copying, right, I asked you to copy only that base path only, right? So till bin, go to bin and click here, you'll get this one, copy this one, and come to this environment variables. Okay, so any other window, yeah, path variable, click edit, and paste here and click OK. So what happens is, if this path we set, right, so whenever you use this Java in this path only, that is available, right, Java C and Java. If you see here, Java C and Java, if I, so this is Java, this is Java C, these commands. So this, whenever you use this, okay, this command, first what the operating system does is it goes to this all path variables. Okay, so what are all present in this path? Expand, let me expand. So in this all these paths, so these are all folders, like some folders. So wherever, whether that particular command related any file is present or not, it checks in all these. Okay, if nowhere that is present, then it will give you compile time error, this command does not exist. Okay, or no command exists with this one. So to identify operating system identification purpose, that command, then we need to set this path. So path is for Java software installation path. So Java C, Java commands you are using, right? So that actually files are executable, files are available. So when you are want to work with that one, just you need to do this one and set the path. So what else we need to do? Okay, so along with this path, you need also, you have to set class path. So what is mean by this class path? Okay, so class path is nothing but after compiling your Java program. Okay, so yeah, let me go to that C drive, programs. Okay, so programs, this is the message, right? After compilation, what we are getting, initially it is not there. Suppose, see, let me delete this dot class file. Let me, now the only message.java file is only available. Let me recompile this program. Okay, now, so Java C message.java. Let me compile. Okay, so it compiled successfully. Okay, now what if, whenever you do this, what happened actually, Java C means operating system goes to that particular paths and it will search whether where the Java C is available. Okay, now then it will load that file and it will executes that program. Suppose, let us see, if I see Java C1, if I enter, okay, click on enter, then what is giving, Java C1 is not recognized as an internal or external command. Since that with that name, some command or some code is or some file is available, so operating system is able to identify that one, it loads that and it executes that code which is available there. So what is the purpose of this Java C command? That code, whatever is available, that it tries to compile your Java program. As the result of that one, if no errors exist, just go here and see, you can find, see, message.class file, it creates dot class file if your class, your code doesn't contain any errors. So this dot class file is the, what it contains, intermediate codes. It's a bytecode or Unicode. Java creates intermediate code or bytecode or Unicode. Okay, so then where it created actually, it created in the same, wherever the main class file is available, in the same location, current location only, you have created these dot class files to specify. So where the Java compiler has to create that your dot class file and store what is the location of that dot class file. Okay, and while execution also, where should it refer from dot class file. So that we need to specify class path, uppercase, all uppercase letters only, class path dot semicolon, just you have to give dot followed by semicolon and click on OK, click on OK. Means that what does it indicate? Dot semicolon means in the current directory, wherever the current Java file is available, dot Java file is available, in the same folder itself, try to create the dot class file also. Okay, so that is the purpose of this one. So you need to say dot class file, sorry, class path and path. Path is for operating system, class path is for finding the dot class file, where exactly it has to store and it has to get that dot class file. So always try to give dot class. So that's it. So this is the installation and setting path and class path, and close all this one by clicking OK buttons. Okay, now it is set. So that if you do all these things, you can also see but in your computer, it starts working as expected. Okay, so is this clear, or anyone has any doubt up to now? Clear? Okay, then yeah, we have done our first program like this. Just we try to print display message system.out.println welcome to. So what if I want to display some multiple lines of code? So what should we do that? So just simply you should write multiple lines of system.out.println messages. So whatever you write as part of these double quotes, that will be displayed as it is on the monitor. Okay, now when you execute the program. So syntax is just in double quotes, where always try to give whatever you want to display on monitor, just to use double quotes. So inside the double quotes, whatever the text you want to give, text you can give. Okay, now so then if you want to give spaces also you can give, or anything you will give, it is not going to give any error. Just whatever you have written here, that will be displayed as it is. Next line, phone number. Okay, so then instead of simply writing like this, what I'm doing is something, some name is, okay now, so I'm writing Yakarna. So this will be displayed as it is on the monitor. Okay now, so mobile number is, sometimes if you display only number, right, so whether it's a mobile number or something else, what does it mean? Yakarna means, is it a name or something else? Simply you can write gender. Okay, right, so gender is, okay, gender is some, whatever the value you write here, that will be displayed on the monitor. So this is the syntax for displaying simple text with multiple lines. Whatever the lines you want, you display multiple. So multiple println statements you have to use to display multiple lines of output. Okay now, so yeah, so do you want to go with installation now? Are you ready to install in your system? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, please go through. I'll help you now itself. So please start installing. Or let me share one document also. First of all, let me stop this recording.